Pressurizing, boost won't fade. Every build a legend made. Supercharged soul, forged design. Boost works forever. Red line. Boost works forever. Red line.
Hello and welcome to today's episode of Boost Works. This episode was supposed to be about me showing you everything wrong with this cheap car challenge, except it blew up. Oh dear. Oh shit. So today's episode is me fixing it. But before we get into the video, go check out part 1 where I pick up the Saab and take it for a test drive so you can see how good of a car I got for £500. Right, let's get under this bonnet. Let's see what's going on. Righto. So with the amount of smoke that was coming out the back, it leads me to believe that that turbo has had it. Luckily for me, a friend of mine, Alex, over at M-Oneeleven, go check out his channel and his amazing new videos, because he's got a lot of stuff on there that is useful. But luckily for me, Alex had a Saab turbo laying around amongst his million turbos he's got, and he sent it to me for free, which, thanks a lot for that, pal. Let's see how we get on. Now, getting that turbo off, I'm gonna say it looks very tight and difficult, so I think what I'm gonna do is remove most of the front end of the car to try and gain some sort of access to it, try and remove everything that's in my way.
Built from scratch, forged and tuned. Every bolt sings, every piston boom. Nitrous hiss, the combat for that full send kick, we crave some more. Boost gauge climb and feel that lift. Gearbox snap, quick clutch shift. Supercharger screaming, perfect sync. Fuel line pulse, don't even blink. Pressurizing, keep that line.
So, after a big wrestle with it, I've managed to get all the front end off. The plan is now to try and take all these parts off here so I can access the turbo. That's the main reason I took the bumper out, is so I've got more access, because it's very tight in there, and if you've got big hands, you're going to struggle. So, best way.
Turbo twist in perfect time. Nitrous flash, adrenaline burn. Once you boost, there's no return. Pressurizing, grip that ground. Everywhere the thunder sound. From pit to strip, it's all combined. Boost works hard. Red line.
Victory! So, now the turbo's off, I thought I'd just compare. This is the one going on, and this is the one that's just come off. Can anyone see what went wrong with it? Yep, God knows. Looks like it's in perfect working order. What the? How? So yeah, the old one is off and in pieces. What? Okay. Well, that explains a few things. Let's try and get the new one into there. So this is the second-hand turbo what's going in, and I just need to drill and tap them. I won't film that boring bit, but yeah, seems alright. Well, after a ridiculous amount of effort, I managed to change the turbo. And some of you may have noticed my beard's randomly grown since the last clip. Yeah, that's because I wasn't very well and I had to take a couple of weeks off away from the car, and now I'm back to it. I've put the same t-shirt on just to not confuse you. But yeah, turbo's now changed. I just need to put it all back together and take it for a drive. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we've fixed it. Well, it's back together. Finally. It took a lot of doing. It was quite tight in there. Surprisingly a lot more difficult than I was expecting. I found a random vacuum line which goes to nowhere as far as I can find. I have no idea where that goes. If someone knows, let me know in the comments, but I have no idea. I think we'll try and start it up and see if it moves.
Cold air charge through the manifold, custom maps, precision controlled. Tires bite, the road replies. We chase that surge, we chase the highs.
Well, it looks like a car again. Hey, back together. What I'm going to do now is top it up with oil.
Pressurizing, boost won't fade. Every build a legend made. Supercharged soul, forged design. Boost works forever.
I need to charge the battery. The battery's dead.
Red line.
Try again, shall we? Well, the Saab is currently running. Let's see if we can get it moving. Right, off we move. The car at the moment sounds alright. It's changing gear. It's driving. Looking at the way the speed climbs. That's not 185 horsepower sort of speed, is it? It's not very powerful. It's not very fast at all. Even with a new turbo. Oh dear. Oh shit. Oh shit, yeah. Okay. It's blown up. Again. I managed to limp the car home just driving it steadily, but it was an absolute smokescreen, I'll show you that. Oh Jesus, absolute smokescreen behind me. Dear me, my goodness. Yeah. Well, I've been having a few technical issues with the camera and I've seemed to have misplaced a lot of footage of me doing it. I don't know how I've done that, but I have. That's just camera work for you, isn't it? So, yeah, I've given up on the car. I've completely given up on it. It's doing my head in. I've put a second-hand turbo on, which this is a good advert for why you don't use second-hand parts. Alex did warn me that that turbo was old and it was off his brother Ben's old car and that it might not work, so it is what it is. You win some, you lose some, and with this challenge I lost badly. I think I'm going to scrap it. I'm just going to get rid of it. It's driving me crazy. I'm going to retry the challenge with the new car, with something that hopefully doesn't blow up. So if anyone wants this, let me know. You can have it. If not, it's going to the scrappers. Well, in conclusion, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Have a great day, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, let everyone know that we're doing random stuff on this channel. And yes, you can buy a car for £500 with a turbo, but should you? Probably not. Well, I'm going to try again at some point, so I'll see you in another video.
Pressurizing, boost won't fade. Every build a legend made. Supercharged soul, forged design. Boost walks forever.